What Allah has given, it is according to our needs, and what was not given is for our betterment. A grateful heart always finds God's gift sufficient. There is wisdom hidden in every gift from God, even if we do not see it. What is written in your destiny will surely come to you. Patience and gratitude for God's blessings open the door to heaven. What God has given is the best for you, and what He has not given also contains goodness. Allah gives what makes you strong. Ingratitude deprives a person of peace. Gratitude increases Allah's love. Be content with what Allah has given you, and you will always be happy. Allah's blessings never end, even if you try to count them. Every small thing from Allah is a blessing. Being content with what Allah has given brings peace of heart. Allah's gifts protect you from trials. When Allah gives, He does so thoughtfully. Be grateful for what Allah has given, and be patient for what was taken away. Allah's gifts are always for your benefit. Life's trials are also Allah's gifts. What Allah has given is an answer to a prayer. Do not question what Allah has given, but be grateful. Every gift from Allah is a lesson. When you are thankful, Allah gives you more. What Allah has given is right for you. What is given by Allah is always better for a person. Allah's gift makes you strong. What Allah has given you is part of your destiny. Trust in what Allah has given you, and you will find peace. What you have is your strength. Allah's gift always brings peace to the heart. Try to understand what Allah has given. What you have is special for you. Allah's gift is the best in every way. What He has not given also has wisdom. When Allah gives, He also gives tests. What Allah has given is enough for you. Gratitude will bring peace to your heart. Allah's generosity is a sign of love. Ingratitude distances a person from Allah. Be content with what Allah has given. Allah's gift is always good for a person in every situation. Every happiness in life is a gift from Allah. Allah's gift leads a person towards goodness. What Allah has given is your true strength. Gratitude brings peace to a person's soul. What Allah has given is always the best. Share Allah's gifts with others. Allah's gifts always satisfy the heart.